When water invades your home, it can feel like your world's been turned upside down. At SOS Cleaning and Restoration, we're here to bring calm back to the chaos. Every second counts during a water emergency, which is why we're available 24/7. Our water damage remediation in Shakopee, Minnesota begins the moment you call. Our experienced technicians don't just clean up water, we restore your sense of safety and normalcy. We listen, we act fast, and we treat your home like it's our own. We'll remove water, dry your space, and make sure no moisture is left behind. It's not just cleanup, it's careful, detailed restoration for the long term. Concerned about mold? So are we. That's why we check, treat, and prevent it from ever becoming a bigger issue. We're a local team, rooted in the same community where you live. That means we genuinely care, and it shows in our work. Call us at 952-847-3404 or visit soscleaningandrastoration.com/areas-served-Shakopee-MN to speak with someone who understands what you're going through. SOS Cleaning and Restoration, caring local experts in water damage remediation.